Hi, welcome to Data Science Byte-Sized Learning. In this video, I will discuss K-means clustering algorithm. Clustering is a process of dividing the entire data into groups, also known as clusters, based on the patterns in the data. K-means is a non-hierarchical clustering method. This means its aim is to find a grouping of objects which maximizes or minimizes some evaluating criterion. Evaluating criterion can be the distance between the centers of the cluster and its data points or other methods. Because of its versatility, it is used in many business domains. In retail business, K-means clustering helps in grouping customers based on their purchase habits. In inventory classifications, clustering the similar products and its features help to manage the supply chain better. K-means also helps in identifying human activities with those of bots used for unethical web scraping and other anomalies. Let me explain how K-means algorithm works. Firstly, you will define a target number k, which refers to the number of centroids you need in the dataset. A centroid is an imaginary or real location representing the center of the cluster. In other words, K-means algorithm identifies k number of centroids and then allocates every data point to the nearest centroid. The steps in the algorithm are: Step 1. We randomly initialize and select the k data points. Step 2. We use the Euclidean distance to find data points that are closest to the center of the cluster. Step 3. The algorithm then calculates the mean of all the points in the cluster, which is finding their centroid. Step 4. We iteratively repeat step 1, 2 and 3 until all the points are assigned to their respective clusters. After the repetitive steps of selecting the centers, calculating the distance between the center and data points, and finalizing the centroids, the clusters are formed having the data points nearest to its centroid. Number of clusters formed is equal to the value of k. That is, if k is equals to 3, then 3 clusters are formed. If k is equals to 5, then 5 clusters, and so on. This is how K-means clustering algorithm is created. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and we'll see you in another bite-sized learning video on data science.